Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in the document where section breaks already exist. First, double-click the header or footer in the new section. This opens the header/footer tools. You must disable link to previous so page numbers can differ between sections. Why? Because Word inherits headers and footers by default, so unlinking lets you control numbering per section. Once done, leave the header open and move to the page number controls. This is where you'll set the numbering sequence for each independent section. Now, with the header/footer editable and sections unlinked, choose Insert right arrow page number, right arrow format page numbers. You'll see two important options: continue from previous or start at a specific value. Use start at to reset numbering after a section break, for example, when numbering front matter versus main content. You do this for each section that's unlinked. Make sure to click OK so the change applies to that section only. Otherwise, numbering will still follow the prior section. Finish by updating fields so all page numbers refresh. Press Ctrl plus and then F9. This forces Word to recalc. Make sure your section breaks are the correct type. Next page versus continuous matters because continuous can leave numbering behavior unchanged. If numbers still jump or repeat, reopen each header/footer and confirm link to previous is turned off, then reapply start at if needed. If a stubborn section won't change, delete and reinsert the section break carefully, then repeat the steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.